Bed knife adjustments and backlapping are a large part of the job for turf managers and groundskeepers. So set your future self up for success by keeping your mower glove boxes free of debris and stocked with the necessary tools to get the job done. When time gets short and schedules get hectic, having to search for lost or misplaced items creates enough friction or frustration that we can easily talk ourselves out of doing these small but important tasks that do make a world of difference. So keep some wrenches, a couple sockets, and a tire pressure gauge in each glove box, and you'll never have to go searching for tools again. I'm Brandon Burks, and that's this week's Sportsfield Solution.